So here in this problem, we need to resolve the given rational fraction into partial fractions. But we can also observe here that this given rational fraction is also expressible in terms of x squared. So what we're going to do, we are going to make a substitution here. So we are going to assume that x squared that's equals to y. Then in that case, our rational fraction 2x squared minus 1 divided by x squared plus 1 multiplied to x squared plus 4. So this will be now 2y minus 1 whole divided by y plus 1 multiplied to y plus 4. So let's label this as number 1. So what we'll do, we will consider 2y minus 1 divided by y plus 1 times y plus 4 and break it down into our two partial fractions. That's because we have two factors here, y plus 1 and y plus 4. So our first partial fraction is going to be a over y plus 1 and the second one is going to be b over y plus 4. So to solve for a and b are constants here. We're going to multiply throughout with y plus 1 times y plus 4. So that's going to give us 2y minus 1 that will be equals to y plus 4 times a plus y plus 1 times b. So what we'll do, in order to find out the value of a and b, we're going to choose two specific values of y. So let's say if we choose y value equals to -1, then our second term goes to 0 and we'll be only left with the first term on the right hand side, and that will help us find out the value of a easily. So let's substitute y with -1 in the entire equation of 2. So that means our equation number 2 will now become, so with 2 times -1 minus 1 equals to -1 plus 4 multiplied to a, and the second term is 0. So we have -2 minus 1, so that's -3 equals to -1 plus 4, so that's +3 times a. So solving for a, we get a equals to -1. Now we will have to find out the value of b. We'll choose a special value of y such that the first term goes to 0 and we are left with only the second term. So here, if we let y plus 4 equals to 0, that means y equals to -4, then our first term is going to go to 0. Now the entire equation number 2 will become 2 times -4 minus 1 equals to, the first term is 0 plus the second term, which is -4 plus 1 multiplied to b. So we have 2 times -4, so that's -8. The -8 minus 1 equals to -4 plus 1, so that's -3b. So b will be the 9 over 3, so that's going to be equals to 3. So we have successfully obtained the value of a and b. That means we can now rewrite this equation, 2y minus 1 divided by y plus 1 multiplied to y plus 4. So this will become equals to, let's take a b value first because that's positive. So we have 3 divided by y plus 4 and a is negative, so we have -1 divided by y plus 1. And finally we will rewrite y with x squared, and this is going to give us the final value. So we had 2x squared minus 1 divided by x squared plus 1 multiplied to x squared plus 4. So this is our rational fraction. So we have decomposed it into two partial fractions. So the first one is 3 over x squared plus 4 minus the second one, which is 1 over x squared plus 1. So this is going to be the final answer.